Okay, so we are at Concierge Project number 3, and we are still in Richmond. A couple blocks away, we're actually over here on 10th Street, across from Lucas Park, and I'm helping my sellers get this place fixed up actually while they're out of town right now, and just making sure the contractors are doing what they need to do, the painters are finishing, the carpet got installed while they were gone, so they're going to come back to a newer home, but we're about a week away. So let me show you guys what we're doing to this house. But I help my clients, with at least $15,000 to be able to finish what we need to the house to make sure that they profit like a 3x, 4x return. Because if we didn't put that $15,000 in, which they didn't have, they would lose about $50,000, $60,000. So that's how much of a return that you could lose if you don't put that much money in. So let me show you what we're doing to this house though. And let me turn the camera around. So as you guys can see, so we didn't need to paint the outside. The paint looked pretty good. One thing that we did paint though was we actually did the outside painting. Look at that beautiful Compass sign. And you could buy this house with no money down, first time home buyers. But we did paint all the trim, made it look nice. So nice curb appeal. This house has a really nice long driveway with a garage, newer windows. It's a newer home. But we also painted the deck, had that looking brand new. And as you go in, so don't mind the mess. This is something that we are working on. This is what a lot of people don't see. But this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. I'll take you guys upstairs in a minute. But we did brand new carpet throughout. We painted every single room white to give this place a really clean and big room feeling. One thing that we changed, just like I was telling you guys at the other house, look at the difference. So it had the old lights in here. And so what we did was we changed out all the LEDs and instead of the old fluorescent bulbs. So check out what we did in the kitchen was we updated. The kitchen had a really, really nice update. Like the kitchen was really nice. It had custom cabinets. They were just that off-white, that yellow look, which was a little older looking. And another thing it had older, gold light fixtures and gold faucets. And so we changed out all of that, but we changed out and painted, put new hinges, put new hardware. Looks way better now. We put in some new lights, new chandelier. This was like an old gold chandelier. Put a new chandelier on that side, which was an old gold one. And it's just what I look for when we're fixing up houses. These were also yellow too, and we painted these all white to make them look new. But one thing that I do is I just look to see okay, if we replace that, can we triple our money if we replace that? If not, if you just put in, let's say $5,000 worth of work to make $5,000 back, guess what? That doesn't make sense. That's when we don't do that. Here's some other things that we're doing to the property too, is we're just changing out some of the light fixtures, and we're just updating certain things, right? Like it has gold faucets and knobs, and we're just changing out all those things. Just gold is not in. Like this was gold, all gold, and everything's satin nickel. Just modernizing it a little bit, but we only have so much budget to work with, or else we would, put new flooring in and all that. That's just not in our budget. So we're just trying to get it moving ready as possible for the new buyer. And that's what buyers are looking. So brand new carpet throughout the whole upstairs. Brand new paint throughout the upstairs. So this is the 3 bedrooms. We put in new closet doors, new blinds. We also put in another big thing is, putting fans in. My client actually, she was looking for deals and saved some money and found some clearance fans to put in her house. And then we also put in new blinds, which is, $30, $40 each, which makes the room look that much better. And there were no closet doors, so we put in the closet doors. Put in a new door. It was broken. Here's what we're doing to the bathroom. Let me see if I can turn the light on. So in the bathroom, this had a really old brown, fixture vanity. And so what we did was we changed it out. So nice, clean, white one. And just kind of updating it a little bit. Like I said, we're not doing a full remodel, but we're just getting it clean, moving ready, That's what buyers are looking for right now, and that's what buyers will pay top dollar for. If a buyer walks into a house and they see that you need to paint the entire home, you got to put new carpets in, it might cost us only $10,000-$15,000, but in their eyes, it might cost them $50,000. So that's one of the things that you want to look for when we're taking a look at these properties, when we're fixing up the homes. It's all about the return. So this is the Compass Concierge Project number 3. And we're maybe about a week or two away. A lot of this stuff is going to go into the garage and it's going to be empty, but as you can see, I don't know if you can look past the details, so, you know, all the stuff that's on the floors. We're almost there, but my seller is out of town right now, and I'm helping them just take care of everything, making sure contractors are finishing when they need to finish, and boom, Compass Concierge.